Hello there, it's Kristen from Critters Ramblings, and I am doing my In My Mailbox. So it's been another 2 weeks, and I believe it's been 2 weeks. I feel like it's been 2 weeks since I've done a video, and 2 weeks from yesterday we were getting married. So it's like crunch time. I ran errands yesterday for 5 hours, so crunch time. So, and then tomorrow's my birthday, and it's totally even not on my radar, and I'm a huge birthday girl, and not even a countdown this year for it, because the countdown's for the big day. So, anyways, it's been 2 weeks. Let me show what I got in my mailbox. Hopefully I can do one next week, and then I may check out for 2 weeks, obviously. So, here's what I got. I got quite a few swaps and some reviews, so let me share what came in. So I'm going to do my swaps first. So I got Scrambled Eggs at Midnight, which looks really cute. Let me know if you've read it. And then 21 Steps to Happiness by F.G. Gerson. It's a Red Dress Ink book. And then this actually has the same like cover image as another book that I read, which was really good, and I can't think of the name of it. But it's the Professor Wives Club. So it was these three ladies, but they were in like the back of a car. I know. So anyways, I thought that was really funny. So I'm excited to read that one. And then I got a Mass Market. Pooh hiss. I got Rescuing Rose by Isabel Wolf, which looks really good. And then this one I want to read really bad, like this week. We'll see. It depends on all my other reading and my schedule and stuff, but Tales from a Wedding Day. And I have all of these wedding chick lit books that I wanted to read over the last 6 months, and it didn't happen. Has anyone, like, do you read them after you get married? Like, I really want to read them. They're all these, like, wedding chick lit that I've been, like, kind of hoarding, and I haven't read them yet, and I don't know. I mean, do I take them all on the honeymoon and just read them all? I'm not sure. So, and then this one, I thought was funny because right now I feel like it's a story of my life, but it's Tales of a Drama Queen, because it's been a little nuts here. So, I was really excited to get that. It's a Red Dress Ink book. So that's what I got through Swap. So then for review, which I didn't know this was coming, and it's kind of fitting that our wedding's at a vineyard, it's the Savion Secret, so I really think I might take this with me and read it. It looks really cute. Well, not cute. It looks good. And then I got 2 copies of The Fine Color. This one's actually less shiny. The Fine Color of Rust by P.A. O'Reilly. So I'm really excited about that. It looks really good. And then I got a note from the author. I mean, a sticky. The Candidate by Paul Harris. So yeah, looks really good. And then this one, Shoot Me Now, but I have yet to read any of her books. And I know, being a women's fiction reader, I should have read them by now. But I got The Shoemaker's Wife by Adriana Trigiani. Not sure if I'm saying that right, but I have yet to read one of her books, so I'm excited. I'm on tour for this one. And then I loved this hot pink, A Girl Like You by Maria Gararsi. Such cute. And then this one I was kind of really excited about. I got an email saying, would you like this? And I said, yes. Imperfect Bliss by Susan Fales Hill. I really love it. It's one of those, like, books, it's, like, super pink, super girly, that, like, I may keep just to keep on my shelf. I don't keep a ton of my books. I only keep, like, the signed ones or, like, the special ones. The rest of them I, like, disperse. But, some of them you just gotta keep. So, that's what I got over the last 2 weeks. I know I kind of rushed through them, but the to-do list is very long. So, I hope you had a great week in your mailbox, and let me know what you got. Happy reading!